From Studio 3C in Rockefeller Center, this is News 4 New York.
Well, you get sick, you go to the hospital. That was always the rule. However, in these days of coronavirus, many people who are getting sick are staying at home, too afraid of what they might get at the hospital. But as News 4's Mark Santia tells us, one senior overcame that fear, and now she wants to help others to do the same.
Stairs suddenly became an overwhelming obstacle for Deborah Cohen.
I was so dizzy, my head was so heavy, and this whole time my legs felt like lead.
Deborah needed to see a doctor, but refused to go.
I was afraid to go to the hospital. I didn't want to get COVID. I didn't want to go to the hospital.
She's not alone. The number of non-COVID patients admitted to hospitals across the tri-state is down 20 to 40%.
I completely understand everybody's fear and anxiety.
Dr. Rafael Torres is director of emergency medicine here at White Plains Hospital. He's working to ease those fears.
To put processes in place in order to make sure that everybody has the maximum level of safety and protection.
For every patient visiting the emergency department here at White Plains Hospital, your journey will begin inside this tent.
That tent's main purpose is to start sorting our patients between those who have a COVID-like illness and those who do not.
Patients are given masks, doctors and nurses all wear PPEs, crews are cleaning more, and the hospital even has a robot on staff.
That robot actually uses UV light and will sanitize that room better than any of us can.
White Plains Hospital has also started a social media campaign encouraging people not to dismiss signs of heart attacks and stroke.
Chest pain, trouble speaking, dizziness.
Deborah finally relented. An ambulance rushed her to White Plains Hospital.
They took blood tests, chest x-ray.
She learned it was not a heart attack or stroke, it was anemia.
I realized my symptoms are more important than my fear. And it was the best thing I could have done.
And Deborah is thanking the doctors and nurses who took care of her and other patients coming into the ER.
They are fantastic. They just give you such peace of mind.
In White Plains, Mark Santia, News 4 New York.
Such an important reminder. Mark, thank you for that.